Today we are gonna take a look at the Koozer hubs. This is the XM490 model, I believe. Yes. So here are some specs. Front is a 100 millimeter, and then rear 135. But for the bearing sizes, it's not indicated over here. So we're gonna try and measure them up later on using a digital caliper. Weight is 480 grams. Also gonna check what is the correct and real weight of the hubs. So this is just a simple unboxing. Also, we are gonna try check what is the maximum number of cogs you can use. Okay, here we go. Let's try and unbox. I think this is the red one. Koozer hubs, if I'm not mistaken, they're made in China or Taiwan. I had a Koozer hub long time ago, I think 5 years ago, and it was the first model, HA04N. If you look at my videos 5 years ago, I uploaded that one, but it's only a sound check. Okay, so what we have inside the box is just simple warranty card. By the way, this is only a QR version. It doesn't have a TA kit. Here's a quick release. Cool. This for the rear hub. Nothing else inside the box. Nada. Empty. Let's just set this aside. There you go. And here's how she looks like. Koozer XM490. This is the front hub, 6-bolt type. By the way, this is 36 holes. 36 holes. There's also a 32 holes version, but I prefer posting or selling online 36 version because these ones are quite hard to find. Koozer.net. I'm not sure if this website is up and running. Let's do a little sound check. Right, first I want to show you the maximum speed of cogs you can use. So right now I have here, this is an 11-speed cog, but I cannot insert the 11T and then the lock ring. I want to show it to you just in case. If you're gonna buy the XM490 and you're planning to use 11-speed cogs, it ain't gonna work. So let me just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're gonna insert the the remaining cog, it won't fit. See, it just keeps on spinning. There's no bite anymore. Even though you lock this up, you won't be able to use the 11T. So other sellers, they're posting the XM490 as 8 to 11 speed or 7 to 11 speed. Fortunately, I had time to check things out and I changed my ads. I changed it to 7 to 10 speed hub, or this kind of Koozer hub. XM490 is only good for 10 speed, maximum 10 speeds. Anyway, let's remove this one, and I want to show you there's also another issue with the blue Koozer hubs. It's with the collar of the skewer. If I'm gonna line them up, they are quite different. See, the blue skewer is kind of lighter and the color of the hub is darker blue. This is just with the blue color. The rest, they're okay, I hope. Let's check the red. I think it's a little bit off, but yeah, here's the red hub and here's the red skewer. It's also a little bit off, but not too much. Anyways, I just want to show that to you guys. So next, I want to do a weight check. So for all you guys out there weight weenies, then you may want to take a look at this one. On the box it says, a while ago it says 400 what? 498, where's that one? Or 490 grams. 490 grams, but I think they're just referring to the hubs. So let's check out the hubs. 502, it's not even close. Ooh, 502 grams just for the hubs, and it's moving. Oh boy, there, okay. 502 grams. What if we include the skewers? Can we do the skewers at the same time? I don't know. Maybe I should just, maybe I should just put this up like so, and how to insert the skewers. This is hard. With the skewers, it is at 595 grams. I'm not sure if that one is heavy or light, but for the price I ain't gonna complain. Here in PH, I think it is sold at 3,500, so it is at approximately 70 US dollars. I'm not sure, but you can do the math. Next thing I want to show you is just a simple magnet test. I've unboxed a lot of hubs, and most of them, the skewers, is made from steel. Also the spring, they're all made from steel. But for the skewer levers, they are all aluminum. For the hub body, it's also aluminum. The rear hub, yep. One thing that is metal is the end caps. So if we remove this and you tried magnet over here, it will work. So maybe after a few months you're gonna start to see some rust over here. It depends how you ride. If you're riding on crossing rivers or riding out on the rain, then definitely you'll start seeing rust, or you can apply something here to prevent rust. Right, next thing that I want to show you is the sizes of the bearings. It was not included on the description on the box. With Speed 1, they have the sizes or the specs of the bearings. Let's start off with the front hub. Let's remove the end cap. So easy. This is what I like about Koozer hubs. I think the sizes or the code of the bearing is already written on the rubber seal, but we cannot focus or get a good angle, so I'm just gonna have to trust my digital caliper. I believe this one is 16.9, so close to 17 mil. That is the inner diameter, of course. Now for the outer, I think this is 28 millimeters. Oops, it's kind of hard to measure this up. 27.9 there, 28.1, so it's close to 28. So most likely the front bearing is 17.28.7. Unfortunately, I cannot remove the bearings because I'm selling them online. If I remove it, then definitely it will get damaged. Most likely this is 17.28/7 for the front hub bearings. For the rear, we have 4 bearings on the rear. Let me just pop them out, and here we go. Bada boom, free hub is out within a few seconds. Let's check out the, oh, they're using white grease, nice, huh? Let's check out the bearing size of the free hub first. So most likely this is 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. there's something written on the rubber seal, but kind of hard to focus. My camera sucks. So most likely this is 1526 by 7. Let me just, it is close to 26 millimeter, 25.7, 26. There you go. So for the free hub body bearing, you need 1526 by 7. Next is the axle bearing on the rear hub. Obviously this is also 15, but there you go, 15 millimeter for the ID or inner diameter. But for the outer diameter, it's kind of different. It's close to 28 millimeters. So most likely the rear axle bearing is using 1528 by 7. I cannot see any code or writings on the bearing, but for you to get the exact size, much better if you can remove the bearing. You can also do this kind of you can also use a digital caliper. Most likely this is 28 millimeter for the outer diameter. So in short, the code might be 6902, or the exact sizes is 1528 by 7 for the rear hub, the axle bearing. Okay, to put this back, all you need to do is slide this in, make sure that the spacer is aligned on the free hub, and it's not doing it. There you go. Then spin it counterclockwise and then push it, and it's done. Pop in the end caps and you're good to go. So I think that's just all that I can show you. Simple magnet test, weight check, sizes of the bearing, and the number of cogs you can use. Maximum is 10 speed, bolt type 6 bolt type hub, and then the colors. I forgot to show you the different colors. This is what color we have here. I only have 5 colors: red, blue, gray, black, and gold. So this is the black one. Kinda neat. I only have 5 Koozer hubs at the moment, and I just trying to sell them. I'm just trying to sell them online. What's the other color? Here is the gold one. I think the first hub that will go out, or the first one that they're gonna buy, is the gray one, or the black, maybe the black. So here's the gray one. All Koozer hubs XM490 that I have at the moment, they're all 36 holes. $70 US or 3,500 peso. I ain't gonna complain. I bought my first Koozer hub like 5 years ago. It was at $100 or 5,000 pesos. Anyway, that's just me doing a simple unboxing. So in case customers asking what are the weight or sizes, how does it look, or what colors available, I'm just gonna send them the link, video link. I don't have to keep on sending pictures, so I'm all messed up here. I think that's just all I can show you guys, and see you next time. I'm quite busy with the Honda EG scooters. Alright, adios.